Day of the Dead is celebrated on November 1st and 2nd. On November 1st, we remember our departed children, and on November 2nd, we remember our departed adults. On these days, we put offerings, or ofrendas, to receive them and welcome them to our home. An ofrenda must contain the following elements: pictures, food, I make tamales, some fruit, I put some fruit, candles, water, because they might be thirsty, salt, papel picado, flowers, sugar skulls, like this one, and the rest of them, I made this one. For the children, we put toys, alfeñiques, and a shell squinkle, like this one. A Mexican dog to guide them in their journey. Those are the basic elements of the ofrenda. My name is Jeannette Garcia. Thank you for your time. Adios.